unknown gunmen have sent a strong message to the politicians in Biafra land. They say Anambra police have killed some kidnappers. They say China have banned iPhone and Vatican City reporting killing of Christians in Nigeria. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome, and don't forget to give us a follow and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The reason why we dey shout every time make you go subscribe to our YouTube channel very important. Now because you know things where they happen once your page don dey speak truth, and the next thing where they go find is how to bring it down. So in case of if you find this page you know see am for Facebook, we also get backup now, Balabas Gist backup, in case you want still follow am, because if anything happen to this page we will continue there. But subscribing to our YouTube channel is very important. So we are going to leave the link on Facebook or below this or comment section on Facebook, so that you can click it and go direct and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay my people, no be small thing, you know. They say kasala don burst and yawa don gas. A lot of things has happened. We'll go look into the next ogbonge news wey we hold for hand today. No be small thing, you know. They say Vatican City news. Vatican City have reported over 50,000 Christians has been killed in Nigeria by the Islamic jihadist movement. No be small thing, no. This thing is happening in Nigeria and our government is not talking about it. They say more than 50,000 Christians has been reportedly killed in Nigeria, and it's happening. So I thank the Biafra ESN. I thank them for doing needful for our people, because most of these things happen in the north. If not ESN and the Biafra, by now a lot of people, a lot of Christians has been killed in our own territory as well. Let's go and look into what is happening in China right now. They say China has extended ban on iPhone to the workers and company owners. You know, say China and US have been going a secret war, which is last time is US parading the owner of TikTok, accusing him of so many things. And China has begun to retaliate as well by banning iPhone in the name of being spying. This iPhone has become a spy to them. So now the government workers in China can no longer use iPhone. Both the company owners can no longer use iPhones. Things are happening. Okay, my country people, now so we'll see am. We'll jump into the next ogbonge news where we'll get for hand today. They say they happen for Anambra, as a police have come aside to say that they have killed some kidnapper that terrorizing the state. We'll go read them at the TikTok. They say operative of Anambra State Police Commander have gunned down a suspected kidnapper while also rescuing the victims. It means say they rescue those people where they kidnap as well. They say the spokesperson of the commander DSP, which is Tochukwu Ikenga, who disclosed this in a press statement, said in the incident. No be small thing, no. They say this one is coming direct from Anambra DSP, which is the one who is in charge to talk about things that are happening in the state. So he said they don't finally kill the kidnapper where they terrorize Anambra State. No be small thing. Okay, my people, they say things are really happening. They say Ambazonia don't capture border between them and Nigeria, which is this one is like in the one in Bakassi Peninsula. So it's one in that place. So they say they have captured the border, and we are going to play you the video for you to watch, where they are celebrating how they captured the border. I said they have been waiting for Cameroonian army to come, and they have nowhere to be found. We are going to play you the video to watch, and when we come back, we'll continue.
Yeah, do you want a brigade for loose? Come. Na brigade for come. Yes. Go that way. Na brigade for come. Go that way to go for Nigeria. Near them. They don't over worry people them for here. I'm just a couple from I don't take them. When I see all sight. How are they? We don't scatter them. After this thing, what we make and so. We did for here now 4 days. Where they don't run. We don't shoot for them 4 days. Today in a 3 days where they don't, 3 days where they don't run. After this, we put the place all down. Any black leg you have for here, you could go down. After, we go down with you. There's nothing that way there. He know there. When I put the house down, when I send fire.
Okay, my wonderful people. In case you don't know who is Ambazonia, Ambazonia is a neighboring country to a Biafra. If Biafra come today, Ambazonia should be a neighboring country to a Biafra, not a Cameroonian. So they are fighting a freedom, just the way that Biafra is fighting their own freedom. So when Nnamdi Kanu was around, he said that they have alliance with them. So that is why we are bringing you their news, and this is happening in a border between them. Let's say between them and Biafra, but now between them and Nigeria. So they have captured their borders. They have shown in that video and said they have been occupying there for past 4 days. And Cameroonian soldiers are nowhere to be found. So this is happening live in Ambazonia, as they have declared the lockdown, but despite that so many people are against their lockdown over there, so that one is their own affair. But we are bringing you what is happening there for you to see. Okay, my people, no be smart, you know. We'll go look into the bunga news where we'll get again today. One Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside. They can't talk so many things and send a strong message to politicians and encourage all Biafras to work, to be fearless in other way for them to achieve Biafra. He said when you become fearless to your enemy will begin to run. So we are going to play you the video and for you to watch it, and when we come back, we'll continue.
Well, Gara, if they come, they will shoot you. But when you begin to increase in number and kill, and also killing them, destroying things, they will begin to ask you, what do you want? Do you know the case of Biafra now is different? Now it is no longer go and kill them. Now it is go and fight them. There's a difference between go and kill them and go and fight them. Somebody can come and kill you when he knows that you cannot protect yourself, you cannot defend yourself. So you make it easy for him or her, he just come and kill you, bam. But when somebody come knowing fully well that that thing you have, he coming to fight you. So the stronger take the win. And that is where Biafra are now. It's no longer as usual, let's go and kill them. Now they always come here to fight. When they fight, and then they see themselves falling like chicken, they have no other option than to run away with their dead body. But before, it is us that used to run away because we did not hold weapon. If they just come open fire, boo, throw tear gas, people will run. A lot go fall. They will capture many, go down for prison, that are still in prison sedate. But now that men carry iron, they can no longer come to fight as usual. Man, to kill as usual. Because they know that there is a resistance. A very strong resistance. So when they come, they meet us on the ground. And we tell them, you go nowhere. We go nowhere. They open fire, we open fire. Then throw bomb, we throw bomb. Then kill us, we kill them. And at the end, we kill them more than what they kill us. And they run away. What you hear them saying is, either fight and run away, live to fight another day. But I tell them, either fight and run away, come to die another day. Because it doesn't matter, you will still die. How many months now? They never come. It's getting to 1 month now. Now we dey host them crusade. Where is your fighter jet? Where is your armor tank? Very soon you go carry fighter jet. Go, 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 go. Where is it? We are telling you, bring it. We will bring it down. Within 1 week, you lost 3 fighter jets. Within 1 week. That tells you that we are not joking. It is either Biafra or Biafra. No joking. So Nigerians, if you really want good life for yourself, this is concerning Oduduwa and Ariwa. Wake up. Pursue your politician. It is only then you can get a better life to yourself. If you fail to hold them responsible and accountability, then you are stupid. You remain in doom forever. For Biafran people, whosoever that open his dirty mouth to tell you nonsense about Biafran, tell the person, do you know how we get here? We were peaceful before. But Nigeria choose violence for themselves. We never carry weapon. Nigeria gave us weapon. We never choose the war, but Nigeria choose the war for us. Because we will never agree them to kill us. We're born to be free. We can never be slave to anybody. Not even in the land of our ancestors.
Welcome back. As I watch that video coming out from Biafra warrior, it's a Biafra Liberation Army, said that we will never allow them to kill us again. I love that word so much. Because Nigeria is fond of clamping everybody down. When you talk, they will shut you up with God. While life, in this present life we are living now, it don't work anymore. The more stubborn you are, the more stubborn other people are. So in everything, dialogue matters. Watch Europeans, once they trade themselves, they call meeting immediately and they start dialogue. Why are they dialogue? Why did they go and start fighting themselves? But in Africa today, we think that everything is by violence. So it don't work that way. So people have been wise as you think. So I will, if I were to tell the Nigeria government, it's more better that Nigeria sit on the table and dialogue. It's more better than this flame that are about to happen. So most of you think nothing will happen, but when you look at things will happen in Nigeria. Okay, my wonderful people. No be smart, you know. Now so we'll see them today, and now we say we'll bring them, come give una. Stay tuned as we get many updates when they come today. I beg, may you not forget to subscribe to our channel, very, very important. And don't forget to also follow this page. Share this video, share it as many as you can. Share this video, very, very important. And when you share the video, other people get the message as well. So what you like inside, people also like inside. Okay, thank you for watching.